Are your car's headlights looking old and foggy? Cloudy headlights not only age your vehicle, but can also reduce visibility on the road, putting your safety at risk. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you: the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. In just 3 easy steps, you can restore your headlights to their original clarity and make your car look brand new again, all without needing any power tools. Stick around, and we'll show you how to get professional results right at home. The first step in restoring your headlights is to thoroughly clean the surface. Cerakote provides specialized cleaning wipes that are designed to remove dirt, grime, and surface-level oxidation. Make sure to wipe the headlight in a circular motion, covering the entire surface. This step ensures that any debris or particles are removed, allowing for a smooth sanding process. Once the headlight is clean, it's time for sanding. Cerakote provides specially formulated sanding discs that are gentle but effective. Start with the coarser disc to remove the oxidation and cloudy layer from the surface. Then, switch to the finer sanding disc to smooth out the headlight and prepare it for the ceramic coating. You'll notice the difference almost immediately as the clarity begins to return. Now for the final and most crucial step, the ceramic coating. Cerakote's unique formula bonds to your headlights, providing long-lasting protection against UV rays, oxidation, and future yellowing. Simply use the provided applicator wipe to evenly coat the entire surface of the headlight. This coating not only enhances clarity, but also ensures that your headlights stay looking brand new for as long as you own your vehicle. What makes the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit stand out is its durability. While other kits may offer temporary results, Cerakote guarantees that your headlights will remain clear and protected for years to come. In fact, it's backed by a lifetime guarantee. Your headlights will stay as clear as the day you restored them for as long as you own your car. No need to repeat the process every few months, like with some other products. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands of car owners have restored their headlights with Cerakote, and they couldn't be happier. Hear what a few of them have to say about their results. After using Cerakote, my headlights look like they did when I first bought the car. I can't believe the difference. I love that I didn't need any power tools. The whole process was simple, and the results were professional quality. And there you have it. With just 3 easy steps and no power tools, you can bring your headlights back to like-new condition with the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Not only will your car look better, but you'll also improve your visibility and safety on the road. Be sure to check the description below for the product link and get your kit today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY car care tips.